In this video, we'll do something different. So I have made few trades and was able to achieve up to 84% of win rate. Okay. And I'm going to show you that exact trading video. And I want you guys to brainstorm, okay, use your creativity and see that video properly and comment below what strategy at what time I'm exactly executing the trade. Okay. So let's see how creative you can be, and while doing this we may discover some new thing that can help us to make our trades more accurate. Okay, so do comment below about your feelings and your thought after watching the video that I am going to show you. I'll keep quiet, I'll show you that video.